Here is my look. I've got my Zimmerman shorts, my Miu Miu t-shirt. I really love this t-shirt. It's one of my favorites. And this is going to be my outfit for today. I don't think I'm going to go swimming this morning because I've got this thing on my foot from my Dior slides. I hate them now, sort of, but it was my own fault at the same time. But it basically popped. There is like a giant hole in there, and yesterday we went swimming and there was a lot of sand and a lot of water. It hurt so much. In the afternoon we went to this Mall of Emirates, I think, and when I was walking it was hurting like crazy. Like I could barely walk because it hurt that much, and it looked white, so I thought I had some infection inside and it just looked gross, you know. So my husband went to the pharmacy, he bought some spray from bacteria and some band-aids. Well, it did help a little bit to relieve the pain, sort of. When we came back home I realized that it's not infection, but it was the sand inside there under my skin, which was so disgusting. So I had to tear the whole thing up, had to take all of those sand pieces out, and once again it hurt a lot. It's getting better, but I still don't want to get into water and get any more sand inside because it really hurts a lot. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stay either in my room or in the lobby because I need to finish editing that VCA video. So I'll probably do that. I'll edit, we'll see what we're gonna do then. We'll probably go to visit university. Right now I'm waiting for my husband to get ready and we'll go to have some breakfast. Here is my outfit in full length. This t-shirt is really nice. I'm wearing my fancy glasses. And my elevator has arrived. We need to go to level G. That's where the restaurant is. I could go from second floor, but then the stairs is really crazy, and with my car in good condition, that's not ideal, so I'm going straight to G. Quick outfit change after breakfast. We've decided to go to see university now. Well, actually, I received an email saying that it's impossible to visit it right now due to COVID, but my sister, she spoke to one of the person from the administration and they said it's fine if we come. So I changed simply because my shorts were a little bit see-through, and I put on this basic Zara shorts instead with my Gucci t-shirt. I think I'm gonna take this bag today from Prada. It's the only like black bag that I have, and I think it's okay. And I'm wearing my flip-flops today, even outside. It's basically the only shoes I can wear for now, and I'm ready to go. I also put on my Chanel earrings. I've decided not to use Van Cleef today. A lot of you always ask about what's inside my bag, so I got my husband's little card holder. It's from LV. I got my little card holder. It's also from LV, and it's part of the Sky collection, the Kirigami. Then I've got some band-aids just in case I'll need them. I've got one toothpick just in case again. Then my hand sanitizer, my lip balm, and I'm also taking my mini sunglasses. I love them so much because they're so compact. So here they are. And I think downstairs in the lobby we'll take some more masks, and that's it. Yes, this is everything I have inside my bag, and I'll also put my camera in. My mini tripod won't fit inside, so I think I'll just take my camera without it. Oh, and also room keys. That's everything I carry in the bag, and it's pretty roomy. I still have a lot of space inside. As I said, I'm gonna put my phone inside and my camera. My phone, and we're good to go. By the way, this is all the shoes that I brought. This is my husband's shoes, and I cannot wear any anymore because of this. So this is what the hotel looks like from the outside, and we have to walk through the outside part of it to get to the lobby. It's a little bit weird, but it is what it is. And we've got some pools over there, then the beach is right over there behind that building. Here we've got the pool for adults and a bar. We've never been here, but it's here. I never swim in the swimming pools. I don't like them. How about you guys? I prefer the sea or the ocean. It's so much healthier and cleaner. The bar. Some sitting areas. The worst part is that we have to wear masks whenever we are outside or inside. And then we've got the view from this side to Burj Khalifa. There is a better view from the beach. It's like right next to our hotel basically. And then to get to the lobby, we have to go that way. Have you been to Dubai Al Nasim Hotel? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you suffer as much as we do here? Okay. And then the lobby is this way. And yes, that's how much we have to walk to get to the lobby. It's not that long, but sometimes it's a bit annoying because it's really hot outside, and that's the only problem. So there's another long corridor, but we're almost there. And by the way, the gym is a lot further, so it's on the complete other side of the hotel. It took me about 15 minutes to get there, so I'm not going there anymore. I just work out in my room. And so, oh, I love this painting, by the way. So this is a whole area next to the lobby. And this is a cafe over here. It's so random because part of it is there, part of it is here, and you can have breakfast, lunch or dinner. That's the main entrance. Yeah. And here's the reception. So here is my look of tonight. I'm wearing my new earrings from my collection. Can you see? Super cute. So I'm wearing those, my Gucci dress. It's so pretty, and I'm wearing it because it's a little warmer than the rest of my clothes because it's pretty cold inside with the air conditioning and stuff. Because we are going to this restaurant. It's at the tower, Burj Khalifa, I think it's called. Is it the right name? Yeah. So we're going to the restaurant there, and this is my look. I was supposed to wear my Dior sandals, but because of what happened to my foot, I'm not wearing those tonight. Instead, I think I'll put on Chanel shoes, the sandals, and what else? And my saddle bag. I need to get it. It is somewhere here. So here it is. My saddle bag. And oh, by the way, I got a new perfume. It's this one from Tom Ford, and it's called Soleil Neige. It's the only one I like from Tom Ford, so I'm very happy. And here is my bag. I received a couple of messages from you guys asking if I'm selling this bag or if I'm thinking of selling it. But no, I'm not looking to sell it because I really love it. And especially since I have this thick strap, I see no point of selling it. So this is the complete outfit: my Gucci dress, the saddle bag, my Chanel shoes. So these shoes, initially I was supposed to go for these ones, and they would look a lot better with the strap and my bag and the shoes, but I can't. Not today. So this is the only solution I see. And yes, let's go. $123rd floor. crazy.
This is a small amuse bouche from the chef. It's prawns,
Hi everyone, we are back at the hotel. We had dinner at the tallest building. I'm not sure if it's still the tallest building in the world, but it used to be for quite some time. And it was just wow. Having dinner at one of those, at one of these skyscrapers, it was insane. The view was crazy, especially night view on whole Dubai. It looked just wow, so beautiful. And I saw the singing fountain. It just, that view, it really took my breath away. We took some photos. It was really amazing. The food, it was good, but it wasn't anything that special. It is quite pricey though, but I mean the view, that was the best thing about this whole experience. Yes, for sure, definitely the view and the elevator trip. So I put the timer on and it basically took us exactly 1 minute to get from first floor onto the 123rd floor in 1 minute. It's just wow. It was such an amazing and unique experience, and I will for sure remember it for a very, very long time. But now we're back at the hotel. I'm gonna start getting ready for bed because it's already past midnight. It's 12:15 a.m. Pretty late. Tomorrow we have quite a long day ahead of us. Anyway, I'm gonna go, so I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.